everyone, welcome back again to my channel. And how are you doing, guys? How are you doing today and this day? So into this video, guys, I want to show you I want to give you a little bit update of my garden and my house. So as you can see, guys, my hands is very dirty because early in the morning I started clean up my garden. But right now I cannot finish yet, so I will give you a little update. So I wanna show you guys. Oh, it's very hot here. So this is it. I clean up from here, over there, and this one, guys, I will show you. And this plant, this one, the sigarilyas, I decided to clearing up because this sigarilyas is very old na. This is very old, but they are still had vegetable. They are still had a sigarilyas. Oh my god, there's a lot of ants, big ants. But I decided to clearing up because I want to put other kind of vegetable like cucumber, green beans, and ampalaya, the bitter. You know what that the bitter vegetable, the ampalaya. So let's join me, guys, to harvest the sigarilyas because even it's very old. There's many more vegetable. There's many more. Look, wow. Look, guys. Oh, look. Oh, aray. Look, guys. Oh, free vegetable. Free vegetable from my garden. You know, Ate Rosemary always asking me to these sigarilyas, but I don't have time to send it to here because I have a lot about housework every day. So that's why I cannot send it to here. Because this is her favorite, Ate Rose favorite sigarilyas. So it is enough. Let's go back to my house. And I will give you update to my house. Agoy. Karon kala. Suko ko. Suko ko ha, suko ko. Suko ko. So this is my house update, guys. It's there's no difference. Oh, I think it's already dry. Sorry for the messy hanging clothes. And I have a single washing machine here. And look at my kids. They are playing the water. They are playing. And guys, this site is my kitchen and comfort room CRs very soon. But this time we don't have own comfort room. We are share to my father-in-law only. We are sharing. And also I have this site. But for now we don't have enough budget for the kitchen and comfort room CR. Even though it's a small kitchen and simple, we are okay and we are contented. Hopefully guys, for those willing to help me to build a kitchen and comfort room for us, for my family, you can send your support through my PayPal. So this is my house. This is the door for the kitchen and that's for CR for comfort room. But I will put a plywood first because we don't have. It's not kwan pa. We cannot started to make kitchen yet and CR. So I will put plywood first. The window, the door. So guys, they want to take a bath because I think they are feeling hot. They are feeling hot, so that they wanted to take a bath. So we taking a bath guys outside only because we don't have a bathroom yet. So hopefully someday we have. Bye bye. Thank you for always supporting guys. Thank you for always supporting my channel by watching, subscribing, and sending support through my people. Thank you very much. I will appreciate it very much. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless.